How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a ratchet set, an impact ratchet set from the company Bohemia. Maybe is how you would say that. You can see the writing on the side, Bohemia. And what this is a ratchet that accepts an Dewalt battery, and I have a 12-volt Dewalt battery, and I realize it does not fit that. But what I'm going to do for y'all today is I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing and just kind of like show you some of the features on this thing the best I can without a battery. This is what you get with it. You get 2 sets of gloves, you know what, and a little tool kit. You see this? They actually give you a little ratcheted tool kit. Let me show you all this stuff. You get a set of instructions. The instructions are pretty basically, it shows you how to turn it left and right and how to put a battery on. Pretty easy. The sockets, it looks like they give you a little extension to it and several little sockets. I can't show it working, but you know what? I'll show you putting the socket on. There's the left, the right, so that's going left and right on that. Trigger mechanism there, and then you have the reverse and forward both right there, and it has a small little LED light that shows right here for working on that. But right now I just want to do a quick little unboxing and show y'all the Bohemia Dewalt accepted battery ratchet drive. See y'all in the next video.